Hello, greetings from Boonvi. In today's topic, we will see the history of Stephen Hawking. Who was Stephen Hawking and what is he famous for? Watch ahead. Stephen Hawking was a renowned scientist, cosmologist, and an author too. He was born on January 8, 1942 in England. When he was in school, he never topped in his class, but his mind was very inquisitive. He had built a computer with clock paths and an old telephone. No wonder his classmates used to call him Einstein. His father wanted him to study medicine so that he could have a well-settled future. But he went on to pursue higher studies and attended university where he studied physics and later he did his research in cosmology. Everything was going okay when at the age of 21 his life changed. What happened? Take a look. In the year 1963, Hawking was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. In this disease, the body muscles weaken with time, limiting physical movements like walking or talking. He was not expected to live more than 2 years. He was struggling with small tasks such as doing up his shoelaces. He had to depend on others for every small thing. As the disease spread, Hawking became less mobile and began using a wheelchair, and eventually he lost his speech too. He used a speech-generating device constructed and combined with a software program that served as his electronic voice, allowing Hawking to select his words by moving his muscles in his cheek. Initially, he was demoralized, but he did not give up. He continued his research work and made a discovery. What was that? Take a look. Stephen continued to research about the universe and came with a discovery about the black holes. It was believed that the black holes in the universe have so strong gravitational pull that even light can't escape from it. And that's why it's called the black hole. But Stephen proved that there was light escaping, and that radiation came to be called Hawking radiation thanks to his discovery. He had hoped to go into space. Although this was not really possible for him owing to his disability, but at the age of 65, he undertook a zero-gravity flight to experience weightlessness. He truly enjoyed the experience of being an astronaut for a total of 4 minutes. He said that he felt like a Superman for that time, and his smile was the biggest people would have ever seen. He also wrote a book titled A Brief History of Time to explain about the universe in simple terms, which even a layman who didn't have any scientific knowledge could understand easily. His book was record-breaking as it sold over 20 million copies back then. Eventually, Stephen passed away on 14 March 2018 at his home. He once wrote on his Facebook account, "Although I'm severely disabled, I have been successful in my scientific work." He also said, "It is a waste of time to be angry about my disability. One has to get on with life."